Now, in a drive to beautify the garden city and keep the trees clean and healthy, a group of concerned citizens calling themselves Save Green have come forward to do something worthwhile. Here's more.
A group of youngsters in Bengaluru came together and formed a group called Save Green. They started working towards saving the trees in Bengaluru. They are not waiting for permission or any action by the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. They are doing it on their own. Their drives to clear posters from the trees and small banners at handbills started 2 weeks ago as a mission to beautify the city and save our trees. The volunteers of Save Green remove posters every Sunday. They are mostly software professionals, college students, citizen activists and women. They also keep a record of people, firms and organizations that put up these posters.
Advertisers continue punching on trees, which are the illegal, and when they do punching on trees, it harm to our trees. They get termites get attack on tree. Because of this reason, our trees got harmed. Their root of tree that also got spoiled. Because of this reason, our tree got fall down.
In just 2 weeks, the citizen activists have cleared 200 trees of these ugly posters in different parts of Bengaluru, and today they clean the trees of HAL. The group has also decided to put up information boards at photocopy shops on the harms of hammering nails into trees. These places are inevitably visited by advertisers, and that's the reason they are being targeted.
I believe Save Green is working on a very good cause of saving the environment and protecting the trees. And I believe everyone should join the Save Green, and you have to help us protect the environment. And we are covering almost an entire part of Bangalore.
The organization has more than 20 volunteers and has so far removed posters from trees on Old Airport Road, Domlur, New Tipasandra, HAL, Indiranagar and other localities. Their next stop will be Koramangala. The group is today in need of more people to join their mission. So if you want to do your bit to save Bengaluru's trees, you know where to go. Palak Mehra for News 9 Bengaluru.